Hey guys, I got a question from you here on the channel. You're having an issue with your 2013 Wildcat 1000. Your spark plug gets wet with fuel, but it's just not starting. You also said that you have new injectors in it. It sounds like it may be flooding. Maybe the pressure regulator is going bad at the fuel pump assembly, or maybe just the fuel pump itself has gone bad, because those are kind of a known issue to go bad on Arctic Cats. Each time you switch your key off and on, you should get 43 psi. Arctic Cats need a constant 43 psi from the fuel assembly. When your injectors were replaced, did you sync the EFI system? If not, you can find out how to do that. I'll link the video up here. Another thing to check is to make sure you are getting spark at your plugs. If they aren't firing, and every time you crank it over, you're just going to be sending more gas into the unit and flooding it out. And unless it's cold, your machine should be firing in the first few revolutions when you hit that key. Hopefully these tips help you out and you're able to get your machine running again. And if you haven't tried it yet, you may want to resync your EFI system, which I show how to do in this video here. And if you're having other fuel related problems like this, maybe some tips in this video might help you out. I'll see you there.